Hello guys, I am Devendu and today we will create our first React app, but before starting, please watch my previous 4 videos where I explain what is React, how to install npm and Node.js in your system, and how to install VS Code and VS Code extension in your system, and also how to use the terminal. So if you already watched these videos and install Node.js and VS Code in your system, then let's start. As you can see, I am in the official page of React.js and it is called reactjs.org. So creating a new React app, go to the get started section, and in the installation section, go to the create new React app. You can read all of this, but I am interested in the create React app section. And in this section, you can see we need to write these commands in the terminal to create a new React app. So open the terminal. I am opening git bash as the terminal. And if you don't know anything about the terminal, you can watch my how to use terminal video. In that video, I explain each and everything regarding the terminal. So definitely watch that video. And in the terminal, I wanted to go to my desktop folder, and inside the desktop, I wanted to create a new folder called React Tutorial, and I wanted to go inside the React Tutorial. Okay, so currently I am in the React tutorial folder which is inside my desktop, and I need to copy this command and paste it in the git bash. So just paste it, and in this command this is my actual app name of my React, so I wanted to change to my app to my first app. So change this to my first app and click on enter. And if you see this type of error, just type npm install dash g create React app and click enter, and this will install create React app globally in your system. So if you get any error like this, so please enter this thing. So our create React app is installed, and then we will paste our this command in the terminal, and we already copied our comment, so we need to navigate to that, and I am clicking enter for npx create React app. My first app, it is a React app name. So click enter. Please wait for some time. This create React app will install the React app in your system. So our app is successfully installed, and this is saying that go to this my app and then write npm start. So in our case, just go cd, and in our case our app name is my first app, so write my first app and click enter and go write npm start and wait for some time while it is starting the React app. And as you can see, our app is successfully running. As you can see in the desktop, we have a folder called React Tutorial which we recently created, and inside the folder we have a folder called my first app, and inside this folder our React app is situated. And you can see lots of different type of folder and files inside the folder, and we will discuss this in the next one, the actual file structure of this React. So you can open this folder in the VS Code by right click and open with code, but I will show you another way. So just if you wanted to stop our React app, just click Ctrl and C, and the React app will stop, and just write code dot, and by this command in this folder our VS Code will open. Just see, this is my first app folder, and inside the folder our VS Code is opened. So inside the VS Code there is a section called terminal, and click on new terminal, and this will open a new terminal inbuilt inside the VS Code. And I am changing this terminal to git bash, so you can change this from here and click on git bash and delete the previous terminal, and the git bash will open. So we don't need to externally create a terminal inside the VS Code. We can open any terminal. So I am just closing this. So we are actually, if we see pwd, we are actually inside the our React app folder, my first app. So just type npm start and our server will start for React. Please wait for some time while it is starting. And as you can see, our server is started, and this is our React app. And in the React app, we can see it is written edit src/appjs and save to reload. So without knowing anything about this, just go to inside the src, and inside src there is called appjs app. So just change this line and just write my first React app. Okay, just save this and it will automatically reload, and you can also see that your React app is running in the localhost colon 3000. So just go to in your app. So you can see the edits src app just changed to my first React app, and you if you also change to dot I am Devindu. You can also write your own name. So I am Devindu, and save. It is automatically reloading, and you can see my first React app. I am Devindu. So if you face any difficulties for building this app, just comment it down, and I will reply as soon as possible. This is all for this video, and in the next video we will discuss about the folder structure of React and what is the actual purpose of this folder. So if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.